Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about iOS 18.7.4, and I am testing this update from last almost 24 hours. So in this video I'm going to talk about how these 24 hours went. I will be talking about battery life, I will be talking about performance, and in the end of this video I will be sharing my opinion regarding that should you update on this version or not. So without any further delay, let's jump into this video. Now, as I told you that I am using this version for a while now, it's been more than 24 hours. And if I get into the settings and get into the battery section, let the battery stats load up. Before showing the battery stats, one thing I want to show you is that when I go into the battery health and charging, my battery is on service. It is on 75%. So, like, I can't expect much from it, but again, it is on service. I will go back last 10 days. Today was the first day when I was using 18.7.4, and I use around 100%. I use completely full my battery. As you can see, it is almost at the end. I use almost 100%, and for that I got 6 hours and 2 minutes screen on time. Now for the 100%, 6 hours 2 minutes screen on time on iPhone XS battery at service, this is one of the best screen on time. Honestly, with this update, it is better than every other iOS 18 update. I am surprised to see this much screen on time. Now you may be thinking I wasn't doing anything difficult or anything hard on my device, but let me show you. I was watching Netflix. I watched Netflix for more than 2 hours. I watched YouTube for more than 1 hour. I used Threads for more than 1 hour, and some other application. Also, I recorded I guess 2 different videos in 4K using Blackmagic Cam. So I'm like amazing. It's amazing. Surprised to see this much amazing battery life. So I'm so much happy with the battery life of iOS 18.4. So in terms of battery life, it's a thumbs up. Definitely a thumbs up. Again, keep this one thing in mind. It's just 24 hours. Maybe when iOS gets even better stable, it is going to give us even better battery life. So yeah, this is a really good update. So users who are on iOS 26, sorry guys, you can't downgrade, but this is a good update. Now I want to talk about performance. So throughout my performance, I haven't faced any sort of lag. It was working really fine. And if I go over here, you just saw slight lag when I did this, but overall I haven't faced any sort of issues. Things are nice. And if I talk about the Geekbench score, I ran the CPU benchmark only, and I got 1325 for a single core, 302 for a multi-core. Both are higher than the average one. And this is a decent score. It is slightly lower than the previous version that was 18.7.3. Like multi-core is slightly lower. But overall, it is a decent score. And I think after using it for a couple of days, it will even get better. So performance-wise, I don't see any issue at all. This is a good update. It's like working really fine. Everything is so perfect. Now a big question, should you update to iOS 18.7.4? Well, if you were using iOS 18.7.3, definitely this update is for you guys. There are no big features at all, but it brings enhancements and better battery life, bug fixes, and a lot more stuff like security patch. There are many users who are still on iOS 18. I got so many comments. Some people are still using iOS 18.5. Some are on iOS 18.3, that is amazing to see, but this is a really good update. Definitely this update is way better than iOS 18.5. It is way better than iOS 18.7.3. So yeah, iOS 18.7.4 seems like a perfect update. So that's all from this video. Now so far, I'm going to conclude this video. So far I talk about battery life. Battery life is amazing. I'm surprised to see the performance of battery life. I got more than 6 hours of battery life, which is insane. And I'm loving that. And also overall performance is good. Geekbench scores are decent. And in the end, if you want to update, definitely this is the update you can install without worrying about anything. Well, this is all from this video. Hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.